space-time is
There is a
actually bent.
curvature in space-time. So this for example Earth, and this is another star catching here. So due to the bent time, the light will travel. Actually, the light travels in straight line. So we will see the object here where actually it is here. So the actual location we have to find out. So scientists use the radio telescopes to find it out. And also due to this bent time curvature, scientists which are there, astronomers which are there in space, every half an hour they are younger 0.07 seconds. So the more time they spend, the more younger they will be.
Now, not only the time, not only the light bends due to this space-time, time also bends. Now, due to this time gets slower day by day.
So we watched in a movie Interstellar that there are wormholes created due to this time loops, and due to the wormholes, like millions and billions of light years, we can travel in few seconds. That is what I want to say.
Thanks.
So this is our project's fabric of space. This is the fabric of space on which we live. For example, say a sun or a black hole. Due to it, the fabric of space will bend, and it will create a curve. Now, for example, this is our Earth, and from here we are observing a star. So, Earth is a fixed location like this. So, this is another star beyond the sun. So, due to it, light always travels with a straight manner, we know that. But due to this curvature, light will travel in a curve, which is another shortest path. So, we will see an apparent location which is not true but fake. Scientists use radioactive waves to detect the apparent and real locations of it. Due to this fabric of space, not only light bends, but rather time also bends. For example, this is a star. This is a planet close to the sun. This is a planet far away. So the time will move slower for this planet, but faster for this. And the one living on here will age slower, and one living on here will age fast. So, for example, this is just 5 years old. He might be 50 or 70. So now one more. For example, I am on Earth. The force exerted on gravity on me is 9.8 meter per second. But if I am in a rocket accelerating upwards at 9.8, the speed of 9.8 per second, exactly as force on Earth, I will feel nothing and it will be same. But the actual difference will be like that. So now it will